Using Payoneer gift cards can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to effectively utilize your gift cards. Step 1. Check card balance. Before using your Payoneer gift card, check the balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. You can do this by logging into your Payoneer account or using the mobile app. Step 2. Find a merchant. Identify a merchant or online store that accepts Payoneer gift cards as a payment method. Many retailers and e-commerce platforms accept these cards, so look for one that suits your needs. Step 3. Add to cart. Once you have selected the items you wish to purchase, add them to your shopping cart. Ensure that the total amount does not exceed the balance on your gift card. Step 4. Select payment method. During the checkout process, select the option to pay with a gift card. Enter the card number and any additional information required, such as the expiration date or security code. Step 5. Complete the purchase. Review your order details and confirm the payment. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation of your purchase. Keep the gift card information handy in case you need to reference it later. Using Payoneer gift cards can be a convenient way to make purchases online. Make sure to follow these steps for a smooth transaction experience.